Hello. This game is Enchanted Blacksmith. I saw it on Steam, decided to just buy it, and I guess I'll just make my first video out of it. So, just see how it goes. Ooh, get straight into it. Okay, okay. Oh, some setting changes. Interesting. You gotta. Ooh. Ah. Welcome to my humble abode. Got tools. Okay, okay. Got a horsey. Ooh. Actually, pretty nice. Alright, let's see. So reading the tutorial here. Okay. Huh. Alright. Let's see. See what we can do here. Oh, cool. Do I have anything? I do. Huh. Okay, okay. I think I got it. Not exactly sure what to do. I know this game is still in very much early access, but wanted to give it a try. Nice little game to play. Before I get into that, let's wander around town and see what we can find. And go into other people's houses. No, I can't rob them. Okay. I don't rob people. Oh, what's this? Okay. Got some stalls here. Ooh. Oh. Don't really know what I'm looking at, but dang, some big carrots. Okay. And casting glass crucibles. Also, I haven't played that many blacksmithing games. So try this one out. Ooh, hermit. Okay. Well, I'm broke right now. No quests. Okay. Hide in the bush. So, let's see. Try to make something. Then probably very basic. The tutorial. The furnace. Okay. Gotcha, gotcha. Let's see. Hello, we got a little bucket. A little bucket. Alright. Is there coal in there? More coal. Okay, okay. I like what I'm seeing. I like what I'm seeing. Alright, alright. Okay. Yeah. Very simple. Very nice. Ooh! What do we got? What do we got? Look at me go. I'm a natural at this. I'm a natural.
Are you sure about that?
Alright. This is our workbench? I think so. Do I have a hammer? Do I need to buy a hammer? Oh wait, I got it, I'm dumb. I got it. Oh, wrong button. There we go. Okay. And after some looking around, I made an ingot. Okay, I got it now. Don't you worry. Just put that back in there, maybe. Hole in there. I have this here still, but yeah. There we go. Okay, okay. We in business. I don't mind this. Oh. There we go. We're cooking. We are cooking. Okay. And now. Yeah. Oof. Look at that. I'll bring it towards me. Okay. And I think now. What's over here? There we go. I don't know. I think so. I put that on there. Drop it on there.
3 hours later.
Alright, alright. Uh-oh. Hold on, back to the tutorial. Oh wait, I see hill. One ingot and one plank. Oh. I guess I can. That's one problem. Oh, coal. Be back in a second. Okay. After restarting, because I think I soft blocked myself, you'll do this correctly. So what I'll need is make a, and then I will need a bada bing, bada boom. Much better. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. What it said before is an ingot and a plank. Oh. Do that. I have to take a plank. And this. And then. Oh, that's right. I forgot. Going too fast. My bad. No. Maybe a little longer. Does this? I'll just pull that up. Okay, anyway. Oh no. Really? Is it because this is on there? Yeah, okay. I get it now. I understand. I guess we can take this little... Yeah, cute! Okay. I'm gonna make a cross guard. Oh. No. Oh. And now... I finally... Aha! I've made a weapon. Stay back! Okay. And I'll figure out how to sell it then. Maybe I gotta go into town for that. I need knowledge to sell. Maybe 3? I'll buy. Sell products, raw materials, buy food. Merchant's table. Yeah, okay, it's not here. Oh. Okay. Cool. There we go. Alright. Now I'm guessing what I should do is permit. Yeah. Then I saw some signs saying this way. This should be a mine. Old mine. Alright. Okay. Oh, that's a bad idea. Go, my noble steed. Ride like the wind. Oh, okay. What's the ways to the mine then? Oh, is that it? Ooh. See, horsey. Oh yeah. Nice. Cool. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Know that. Wonder how I get coal though. I can get in there or something. Oh. Oh no. Okay, energy. Gotta worry about that. Not sure what to name my horse. I think of a name for it. My noble steed. This is a nice little spot. Ooh. That's what the food and drink is for. Makes sense, makes sense. Alright. Remember there being a drink at the house. Might as well empty this out first. And I like... Ooh. Come on out. Yeah. Okay. One by one. Oh, oh. You just take the whole thing off. That's cool. Wait, that's actually awesome. Okay. Yeah. Right. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Night. I guess I could sleep. I don't have anything. You know, let's do that. Let's try that. Yeah. Let's do like... wake up early. There we go. Okay. Let's get out to the... I guess I didn't get... I know, I drank that for no reason. But... Right back to the mines. Be a faster way, maybe? Oh, that's much faster. Okay. Wow. Park my horse real quick. Park the nay-nay. Oh, hoof prints. I'm gonna call them footprints. I don't know. Horse prints. These mushrooms. Oh, can I have eaten the mushrooms? I didn't even need to go back home. I can bring this with me. Oh, that'd be smart. Oh, why don't I? Why don't I bring this with me? Okay. Oh, there we go. There's some coal. I wonder if this is like an infinite thing. Let me eat a mushroom and see how much. Not a lot, okay. Maybe I can wonder how much they're worth. Sell them. We got back there. More coal. For now, I'll get a little more, probably copper. That's the one thing. And I done. Your hole back home. Perfect. And go. On a hyper speed. Okay, where do I? This way. Okay. It should be back home. Lickety split. One of this nice. It's a canyon. It's not a canyon. Oh yeah. Okay. Anyway. And we're home. What can you? Oh, can I attach this to the horse? Oh. Oh, I'm going back this way. Okay. Okay. Quick, sidetrack. You just back. Oh no. Back up. Whoa, 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 whoa! It's a ghost cart. There's something. There's a bug. Okay, there we go. Oh no. I don't know if I can attach it to the horse in any way. I'll say that later. Anyway, we got, a few more daggers. Oh, wait, now I get planks. I'm gonna do one more, huh? Gotta get planks. I think that. I'll take one more. One more, one more thing. Four of these. Because, yeah. We got mushroom. One or two of these. I do all four. That's hopefully it doesn't. Got like a perfect amount. Look at that. Yeah. Whatever. So we got rope. Pour some in there. Push it over. Do a cross guard. Ooh, okay, so you can. Cool. And an ingot. There we go. So put these in my bucket, yo. My bucket's over here. I was trying to get more stuff in my bucket. Crap out there. I'll bet out for now. Okay. Yeah. And then nice. Now we can add in there too. Take this out. Make a hilt for a while. One thing. My bad. A hilt. And then the dagger. Oh yeah. So I might as well just put that in there. And I'll just put what is there for now. I want to see if I can sell those. And the dagger. Okay. Alright. I won't mess with that. I won't mess with the cart. Let's go! So, dump that out. Easy. Nice. Ooh, 56. Oh, was that all 56? Wait. Also, the mushrooms were worth nothing, but no. Yeah, I don't think so. Pull a few carrots. Let's, back to the mine then. Oh, what's this? Ooh, another. Oh, look at that. Anyway, to the mines. Ooh. I just kind of realized. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. I remember reading about that. When I was skimming through the tutorial. That's nice. But also, we're not really real. Oh. Walk to the mine. I can kind of eat these while I'm in there. Take our stuff in. Was that it? And that's it for that. Yeah. I think I'm out of. That's it for you. Okay. Huh. Maybe these will recharge daily or something. So I guess. Ooh, okay. So we're stuck here for now. So probably will have to come back tomorrow or something. Okay. Good to know. Okay. What I'm thinking, I think we can probably make one more dagger. Dump this right. Yeah. I don't know if it all went in. I'll use. Sorry, no use. So that goes there. Oh wait, I don't have any wood. Uh-oh. Okay. I might be in trouble here. Why can't I? There we go. Completely forgot about wood. Hold on, maybe... Oh, I have... Oh, okay. Whew. Alright, we're good. I can combine these all. Real quick, let's see. Ooh, crystal, gemstones, nails. Interesting. Upgrades. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, that's cool. Wonder how we would get a axe and stuff. Anyway, let's go sell this. And... Alright. Oh, so then those mushrooms were... They were 1 each. Those 56. I gotcha. Oh, we got 100 coins. We're rich.
We're rich! We're rich! We're rich!
You got a planter box. And seeds. Okay. That's cool. So we can be self-sufficient. Oh, you can buy... Oh. You can buy ore if you wanted to. Okay. These are expensive. Oh wow. Yeah, okay. More buckets and crucibles. Over here. Oh, straight ingots and planks. Okay. Cool. You know what? We'll head back home, go to bed. Hopefully we can mine in the morning. So we'll try that out. Are these recharged? Oh no, they're not. Okay. Ooh, the mushrooms are, so maybe it'll take another day or two for those. Okay. Gotta wait. Okay. Okay, we can just go buy some then. Buy some materials. get up to the horse. Whoa! Ooh! Maybe like choose one. Yeah. Cool, I need to remove. Okay, you. And get a point. And that is one. And go back home. You know what? I forgot that got some ore here already. Oh, that's fine. I'll follow this in here. Alright. Good. Let's all these. And we'll eat at 200. How you do it? I think I'll leave this episode here. Next time I'll figure out want to buy Brenda farm with, or see what this one does. So, thank you all for watching. Goodbye to the horsey. And I'll see everybody in the next one. Goodbye.